Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. We are tracing letters A to letter F. Let's learn the colors. These are our colors. Black color. This is black color. Wow, black color. Red color. Which one is red color? Yes, red color. This is red color. Gray color. This is gray color. कौन सा कलर है बच्चों? This is gray color. Wow, this is yellow color. Yellow color. Yes, yellow color. And these two are, yes, dark blue color, dark blue color, dark green color, dark green color. Let's start drawing. Letter A. A is for apple. Let's start with dark green color. A. A is for apple. Letter A. A is for apple. Apple mana सेब. A is for apple. Next to letter A is letter B. B is for banana. B is for banana. Dark blue color. Letter B. B is for banana. Letter B. This is dark blue color. B. B is for banana. Next to letter B is letter C. Yes, we have yellow color. Yellow color. C. C is for cherry. Letter C. C is for cherry. Letter C. Yellow color. Letter C. C is for cherry. Gray color. This is gray color. Letter D. Gray color. D is for duck. D is for duck. Letter D. D is for duck. Gray color. Now we have red color. Letter E. This is letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Elephant means hathi. Yes, letter E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. Letter E. The last letter is letter F. Black color. Letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Letter F. F is for fish. Wow, we have done. Let's revise. A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's learn something more. A. This is letter O, A. Yes, letter A. This is letter A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cherry. C. D. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. Wow, we have done. Dear kids, do the same practice, like this video, share it and subscribe the channel.